a new carrier comfort, which replaced a carrier Puron 38 EZG. It should be a 13 series, 2023. Might as well look at the other units. Hadn't filmed these since 2022. A couple of Geminis. These replace some older Geminis with the old design. I don't remember this one being here last time. I believe this replaced one of those Lennoxes right there. This looks really new. 2024, so yeah, it is. This Puron I actually missed last time I was filming here. Scroll pressure. Data sheet's like gone. Yeah, the Lennox T-Class. You know, these are straight cool units, and it's in the high 40s, so I don't know why that Gemini is running without a low ambient kit. It's two Lennox Elite Commercials. These ones didn't replace anything. New additions. And we got these free carrier Purons. Really rusted out. These look really nice back when Free Brick filmed them in 2013. Still looked like new.
Here's this 2003 carrier that their production's down. It's much rustier than it used to be. It's the Lennox Elite. Look at your car.